Trusted signals. Trusted signals. Trusted signals. Trusted signals.
What up, Trusted Signals? Welcome back to the channel. So sorry for having you guys wait. I know I said 5 o'clock and it is 5:35. I had some technical difficulties with this whole OBS. This is the first official live stream, so bear with me. This is something new to me. I have to get used to the setup keys and how to properly run this system. So again, please bear with me. So basically, we're starting to do live streams. Live streams are here. We're going to do these live streams and we're going to go over weekly breakdowns. We're going to go over different opportunities in the market, what to look for throughout the week, live webinars, answering questions. But today we're just going to do a weekly breakdown analysis. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this and check out the charts. All right, so here is US 30. The first thing that I like to do when going into a weekly breakdown, or basically just looking at opportunities at what we have in the week, let's go ahead and start with a blank canvas so you guys can see how I would set it up. And let's just remove all drawings. Boom. So now this is set up how it would be with nothing on it. I like to first off see it very clean and start fresh. We got Joseph Stewart. Yo, Joseph, what's good? Shout out Joseph Stewart for that comment. So again, we'll start out fresh with US 30 and start off with simple trend lines. So we have a support that's happening here. And I like to start off with the higher time frames. It's very important to understand where you are on the higher time frames, so that way you don't get stuck in the zoomed in part of the market. You think that it's going to buy or you think it's going to sell, and in reality you're all the way at the bottom of the daily. So I'll start off with simple trend lines and seeing what's happening in the market. First off, I would like to say the market was oversold onto the daily. We have the RSI showing us that the market is oversold and price came down over here. And matter of fact, I'm just going to go undo, because this position here that I have is a live trade that I have open right now. If you are not part of the Discord, I highly suggest you guys do check it out, because I posted this analysis prior the move happening right here at 1:07 a.m. I took a screenshot of TradingView. This is the trade idea. We have a lot of traders on our Discord chat posting their trade ideas. I posted this yesterday at 1:09, and this morning around 11:04 my time in Dubai, you see the profits. So in the Discord chat, you'll have myself also throw in these trade ideas before the move happens. And then you could see right here is when I said to everyone, take partials, stop in profit. And then I took the photo of it being stop in profit and the point that I took partial position. So with that being said, I'm going to go back into TradingView right here. So why did I take partials at this moment? I'm going to go ahead and make this all blank again. All right. So why did I take partials at this moment? If you look right here, you see multiple confluences. You see candle close, candle close, candle close, candle close. So I'll just start up from right here and write it with the wicks in the top. You see the wicks here, and take it all the way down to the right. So while I'm looking to the right, I'm also noticing to the left these wicks right around here. All right, so with US 30, this is why I have my TP right at this area. So now that we understand we're at the low part of the market, we're starting to see a push up to the top. Let's go ahead and dive into the smaller time frame, starting with the 4 hour. This is why I have my take profit right around this area. For the week, what I would look for is a short. Now that the buy has already happened, I would look for some confluence and rejections happening to this zone, and even this zone here at the 34906 area, where the trusted signal made the auto support and resistance line. So with this auto support and resistance line, we want to see, I'm just going to take a little drawing right here. Oh, all right. In this area right here, I want to see something happen in that area. So price coming up, rejecting, maybe bouncing up to this area here where I have this MA and taking it for a short. So we already have the buy happening on the 4 hour. Let's go into the 1 hour right here. So I have my stop and profit. First thing first, if it does come down, then my anticipation of it continuing to go long would be invalid. But as of now, I am still long on US 30. I really want to see how it affects on this zone here. So with US 30 in the week, look for a short after seeing price coming up to these levels. Let's say 134.798, and again on the 4 hour 14898.5. We have our memberships. What's up? What up, Rebel? How you guys doing? All right, so with US 30, this is, let me just delete this. All right, boom. With US 30, I'm looking for potential shorts throughout the week. I definitely want to see first how price reacts at this level, so I'm letting it ride on the long. Now, next thing, let's check out GJ. All right, again with GJ, first thing I'm going to do is start off on the higher time frames. Let's check out the daily. All right, and let's just start fresh, starting fresh here. I'm going to go ahead and use this ray right here. Now, why am I putting this ray here? And why did I choose it here and not here? Or why did I not choose here instead? It's because I'm looking at multiple confluence, meaning confirmations on price. We have a touch here, almost touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here, and touch there. So that, I think, is a valid trend line on the daily. And then I would go ahead on the bottom side and find this one here and try to find as much touches as I can right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you even zoom in, you could tell that with these touches that I have on the left, you could even see that the candle, look at that, is respecting it. The candle close. So with those wicks, candle close, candle close, candle close, this wick looks solid. So that is a solid movement. And I'll also come into here. Let's go into my fib channel. go here and somewhere around here. All right. So for the week, we're at the bottom of GJ on the daily. It would not make sense. It would not make sense to take a short right now. So this is why I say look at the higher time frames. See where you are in the market. If, let's say, I was all the way zoomed in, I'm just going to go, for example, on the 1 minute. If I'm all the way zoomed in on the 1 minute without looking and understanding where I am, you will be like, oh, wow, it's going down. I'm going to go ahead and short. But you already see that we're almost having a change of direction of the market. Not until we break this area. So I'm just going to put a box, a little box right here. Now, the reason why I put the top of the box here is because, again, we have this resistance auto support from trusted signals. So that's why I'll put that box there. I want to see this price break this box and continue to the top. So that's why, like I said, start off with the daily, chart up on the daily, see where you are on the daily. And from the looks of it, it is going to go up from here. If it continues to go down, maybe to around here, I would think about doing what's opposite of the market and taking it for a long. Now that we have the daily idea of where we are, where are we? We're almost oversold on the daily. You can see the RSI pushing down to the very bottom right here. Now let's go into the 4 hour. Boom, 4 hour. Look at this solid sell signal that came in. So we are due for a buy. There is a buy coming in soon. If you see a sell signal on the 4 hour and the whole move has already happened, anticipate the next buy signal that's coming in. So that way you can take that buy signal and ride with the momentum of the market. So here on the 4 hour, I want to see price break above and start moving its way to the top with this heart line here on the Fibonacci Trendline. The Fibonacci Trendline is a great tool. I would highly suggest to look up what that is. And if you have any questions on what the Fib Trendline is, I can definitely answer those questions in future live videos. Right now, I just want to go over the analysis. All right, so let's go ahead and do some zones. Right here. Boom. Again, from this auto support resistance line and this auto support resistance line, candle close, wicks, candle closes, wicks is why I made that one. Let's go ahead and go here. I'm going to write it to the top right there. Now again, here we have closes, wicks and closes. This is why I have this one there. Try to find as much confluence as you can. That's how you find these proper zones. If the more confluence you have, the more data that it shows, like this consolidation right here. You see these closes here. You have rejection here. You have rejection here. So this looks like a solid zone that price could either respect in the future. So now on the 4 hour, I have an idea of where we are. The short has already happened. It would not make sense for me to risk my capital and go in short. It's about protecting your account and doing the most probable. What is most probable? The probability is very high that the short already happened and we might see it go long. So look for a long in the short term, and in the long term, a short. Going into the 1 hour. And also, I would highly recommend for you to be open-minded, meaning let the market tell you what it's going to do. You have an idea. My idea currently on GJ is long, being that the market has already pushed down to this low area. But now that I have this zone that's created here, if I see on the 1 hour a candle close below this zone, and let's say, I'm going to bring out this tool here. Let's say it closes right here. Can't really see. Okay, let's say it closes right there. And then you have a retest going up to the top, and price never breaks below this candle close, and it stays up about here, then this is a false breakout and it's going to continue to climb. But please, if you see a candle break this zone, a retest, and the next candle break below, that's an indication that your analysis is incorrect and that it's going to continue to climb a little further down, possibly to the lower fib channels, to right here. So always be open-minded. Let the market tell you what it's going to do. I'm currently keeping a long bias until otherwise. So I want to wait until the market shows what I believe is going to happen. Once it confirms that it's going to happen, boom, you could go ahead and enter that market. Let's go ahead into the 30-minute. On this 30-minute, I definitely would wait to see price break this heart line. If the price is breaking this heart line, then we have a possibility of it climbing to the very top. Why this heart line? Because you have these rejections, you have this confluence here, look at this confluence there. So if price makes its way up to the top and breaks above, then it could possibly give you a break hook go. And here, this MA, the 20 right here, is still above. So it's still above the red MA. To me, it's showing that price could easily come back up and start pushing towards the top side. And again, on the daily, we are at a low point of the market. So anticipate the next buy signal. And if, I keep on writing on the chart. When you're up here and you see price up here and it's rejecting this zone, go in short. That is your time to short. For example, on this fib channel, look at all the times that price came up to the 0%. Short, 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 short. So I'm just going to go here. Here, 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 boom. Look at that. So that's why I'm anticipating a short on GJ on the long run. I'd rather stay patient and wait for the right opportunity than to enter impulsively. Because if you do enter on a short here, there is a possibility that it makes its way down to this channel on the Fibonacci Trendline. So that's why I rather wait for it to come back up here. Now you can enter long at this point and anticipate to catch this pullback, but pullback trading is one way to do it. Oh, and something happened to my light. Oh, that's great. What just happened? Oh, something happened to my light here, and I'll just continue to carry on. All right, so anticipating for a pullback is one way of trading. You can do it. I am long in the moment, but again, I want to see certain confirmations before I decide to take that long. Let's go ahead and move on. And no got no chill. And no got no chill. What's up, Rebel? Thank you for tuning in, my brother. Thank you for tuning in. Let's go ahead and 1 second. All right. Boom. Back here and on it. We're going to go ahead and check out GA now. GA. Look at this. With GA. Okay, so with GA, we're definitely in this bullish market. Look at this thing. It's just going up days after days after days after days after days. And right when you think that it's going to come down and start pushing low, it came right back up to this area. Now, we can have a short coming in. It looks like it's coming into a new direction. Boom. Just like that. Let's check out the 4 hour. It hasn't made a lower low because you could see that this low is in fact lower than this low. So it can continue to rise. If I would go in short, I would want to see some rejection on the auto support resistance on the 4 hour. Look at the auto resistance and auto support inside our settings. It's a wonderful tool. I use it all the time. I highly recommend for everyone to use these things because it's for you automatic right away. So you would see price coming around here, and just to go ahead and extend that line, you can go ahead. I do this all the time. I end up putting my own little line right there, and I put the color of what is happening in the market. Boom. All right. So we would look for rejection at this, what is now resistance. We will look for resistance, 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 and having multiple candles showing us that price is having trouble break that zone. So going into the 1 hour, waiting for price to get to this zone. You could even, if you're, let's say, if you are a trader that likes to put market orders on limits. Let's see, check this out. At the 88.6 area. Yep. So definitely considering to take a short here, putting a limit at 1.88920 is a possible short, but I like to see multiple confirmations that this is going short, like not having the power to break this resistance, and it's showing multiple confirmations of rejection, 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 and going in on a short on GA. Now, that's short-term bias. Let's go on a long-term bias on the daily. Yeah, it's been bouncing around this whole area here. If price goes down below this heart line and it makes its way to the bottom of this trend, let's go ahead and show you what trend I'm looking at. Right here. Right around here is a good time for it to go long. So a long at 1.86345 is what I'll be looking for in the week or possibly next week. Right here, because you notice time and time again, you have price being supported at this point and it bouncing to the top. So right around here, I would suspect that the history repeats itself. But as of now, we're looking at this downtrend on a long-term uptrend. I would want to see, again, rejection coming in on the higher time frames, going in on the lower time frames here, and seeing rejection and going in for a short. Basically, this. Let's go into the 1 hour. And now we have a buy signal that's right here that's already happened. Don't be a trader that has FOMO. You see this buy signal and you're like, oh, it's going to buy. I should have gotten this buy. Maybe if I buy now and the buy signal has already happened, then maybe I could continue to climb. Don't think like that, because the buy signal has already quite a few candle closes that's happened, and it's a significant amount of pips that already happened on the 1 hour. It's been a couple hours of it being in a buy. Start anticipating the next signal. Start anticipating a short from this point on, because this whole move right here is already 70 pips. So you don't want to buy in at 70 pips. Anticipate a short coming in. Buy signal has already came in. When's the next short? That is the mentality that you should have when using these tools. You have this indicators telling you perfect price action, spot on price action. It's giving you the perfect times when market is being respected and the movement of the market. The whole purpose of these tools is for you to get familiar on how the market moves, so that way you can anticipate when the next move is going to happen and take the next signal riding with the momentum of the market. So now on GA, just look for this next signal on the 1 hour, the next sell signal. Try to get that next sell signal on the 1 hour and get that ride to the bottom side. Rejection, sell signal, boom, coming down. And if we get lucky enough, you can go ahead and set up a long limit order right around here and taking it back up to the top like this. Something like this is what I see happening throughout the week. Something like this coming down and then on the long term coming back up. Now let's go ahead and check out XAU. Blake, any news about the new indicators? We got the new indicators in the works. It is in the works. I had a cool Zoom call with Chris, and Chris was showing me the new indicators that are in the works. We have the dynamic take profit that is coming to our channel, coming into indicators, coming into trusted signals, and we're just waiting for the finalization of the coding. I did post a video. If you watch our previous video, let me see. Let me just go on YouTube. I actually talk about the indicator that's to come. Library? Nope. Let's go see if I could show you guys quick. All right. Is it uploaded? No, it is not uploaded. So I actually need to upload that video next. I will upload that video so you guys could check out the dynamic take profit video on our indicator that's going to be to trusted signals. It's actually in the works. We're working on it, and it's really dope. It's actually going to show you different levels of take profit right here on the right hand corner, and that way you could base your take profit on areas on the chart, and it's going to tell you the price right here. Level 1, dynamic take profit 1, dynamic take profit 2, dynamic take profit 3. Let's go. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm definitely going to upload that video next, and that way you guys could check that out. Okay, for some reason I have this happening here. I'm going to restart. All right. We are going to check out XAU. All right, again, first thing I got to do, first thing is check out the daily. Where are we at on the daily? I'm going to erase all of this so I could go how I would do it when I'm alone. And this way you could look at this video and take this into practice for your own and repeat something similar on your own workflow. Your own workflow, what resonates most with you. Instead of the trend line, I like to use the ray. Boom. Right there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Missed that one, 11. And here we are, 12. This one, and also another one here. Right there. And also right here. Alrighty. I'm going to also go ahead and do some levels. Looking at this in the back, in the history, in the past. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Now, look at this candle close here, wicks over here. This is the bottom of what looks like a possible head and shoulders. Let me go also right here. Why am I doing this at the bottom and why am I doing it at the top? Again, auto support and resistance, multiple confluences, candle close, wicks. It's repetitive. So this is why I'm drawing these zones here. Getting used to looking at the higher time frames and setting these zones is going to help you out a lot. With gold, I possibly see it climbing to up here and doing a short. Let's go with the arrow. Another arrow. Something like this. Something like this. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I want to see a retest of this breakout because you also have this right here. Boom. And I bet somewhere in the past. Yep. All right, so I definitely want to see a retest of this zone and see how price reacts. Seeing how price reacts at this level is going to determine what the market's going to do. So we're not so much at the bottom. We're not so much towards the top. We're somewhere in the middle. So I really want to see what price is going to do once we're at the top. Let me see. Up to date with all the previous videos, buddy. Quite eager to test drive it out. Speaking about test driving it out, we have a free giveaway. So for everybody who's watching right now, we got 22 people watching right now. If you don't have a membership, we're giving it for free. Matter of fact, hold on. I gotta do this really quick. And all right, so we're giving this away for free. If you guys have not checked it out, in order for us to give you this indicator for free, you have this for a lifetime access for the rest of your life. All you need to do is go to our Instagram page. Very, very, very simple. We have a free giveaway post on Instagram. All you need to do is take a screenshot of the post that says free membership giveaway. And after you take a screenshot, you're going to then record yourself and say why you deserve to be the winner for the free membership giveaway. Once you have those two things, you're going to make a post on your IG, post number 1, the screenshot. So when you swipe it, we can go ahead and see you speaking on why you need and why you feel to be the winner of the giveaway. And that's it. Tag us. Boom, free membership. So if you want a free test drive to the products, you can go ahead and submit your entry to the giveaway. Why don't you give one free signal for a free member? Why give away a free signal for a free member when we're giving away a lifetime membership? Much better. It's a much better thing for people. Shout out Asmont. We'd rather give people the opportunity of having the product than just giving you one signal. We have so much work on the back end that it'll be much better for our users to get a free membership. Hi, what up? I'm Umut. Shout out Umut. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the love. Let's go back into the charts. Giveaway video link. Rebel, the giveaway video link is on YouTube. So on YouTube right here, giveaway right here, lifetime giveaway. Definitely just check that out. You guys definitely check that out. And I explain how to participate step by step, how to participate in the giveaway right here. So that way you make it very, very simple. We make it simple for you guys. The screenshot, number 1. Second video is going to be you telling us why you deserve to get the free membership. And boom, once you post it and I could see that you have submitted your try to get inside Trusted Signals for free, I would see it, you tag us, and you're in. You're right away participating in the giveaway. All right, back to this. With XAU, definitely want to see price come back up to the top. So with that being said, let's look into the smaller time frames. I'm going to look on the 4-hour. Delete these. Oh, what did I just do? All right, cool. Definitely want to see what it's going to do at this level here. We have these MAs right here showing that it is being rejected right now at this moment. It's acting as resistance. And I have this red MA still above my green. I could definitely share with you guys what MAs I use and the settings I use for my Fibonacci and Fibonacci trend channel. I'm going to be doing one-on-ones and actually showing whoever wants to do a one-on-one with me the inside tools that I use, which are at this moment confidential. But if you guys like and whoever wants to do a one-on-one with me, I'm more than happy to share why I use these MAs and which ones I use. For instance, whenever this green is above the red, you could see that price comes and does a retest and its price moving up to the top. Whenever the red is above the green, then price is moving down. So as of right now, it's looking like a bearish market. We are looking at something that is a bearish market because this MA is above that one, and I want to see how price reacts with these MAs. Let's go into the 1 hour. It's already coming to right here. Basically, it would have been a perfect long to enter here and exit there. Use the support and resistance. Use them because this is how you're able to see where price is being respected and good moments to enter and exit. At this point would have been a perfect time to take partials and just riding it up to this previous auto support and resistance line. That's why we really focused on auto support and resistance to help people who do auto support and resistance trading. Now, We do have overbought market on the RSI. We had a bullish divergence right here. Price was going down, but the RSI is moving up. So again, looking for a possible short. Now, I first want to see it climb a little higher before taking in a short, because I would be shorting at the bottom almost, or in between of this daily zone. That's why I don't like to sell at the bottom and I don't like to buy in the top. So this is, let's say, the bottom. This is the top. Remember, I did the zones on the higher time frame. That's why I would say, look at the higher time frames, do your zones, draw them out, understand where you are. Now that when you zoom in, you're actually zooming in on the analysis you did on the higher time frame. I'm still here very low on the low part of this daily zone right here. So I definitely don't want to short it just yet. Definitely looking for a short up here higher and waiting for that opportunity. So look for shorts on XAU around, let's say, 1792. Something like this. Or like this. Boom. That's what I would be looking for. I would be looking for shorts on XAU around 1792. 1792. Hey, I'm already a member and enjoying this Trusted Signals indicator. Shout out Mayur. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your name correctly. Shout out to you. Very glad that you're enjoying this. Very glad for all of those who are part of the Trusted Signals family, because we are taking over. We are taking over, and we're going to keep on pushing to providing the best indicator that the market has to offer. So do you guys feel happy with the XAU analysis breakdown? Do you want me to move on to something else or continue to talk about XAU? XAU. If not, I'm just going to say something really cool that I like to do with XAU is looking at the DXY. Looking at the DXY. The DXY is US dollar. So having the US dollar on your chart is going to help you depict on the possibilities of where gold is going. Because, again, it's XAU versus USD. So it's most of the time doing the opposite. If it's pushing up, can you give me a free signal? You want a free signal. Free signal meaning one of these free signals. If you want a free signal, you could definitely just submit yourself to get a free membership. I hope you could submit yourself. I hope you could go ahead and follow the steps on this link. Post it on your Instagram so that way you can have the whole tool for free. Much rather give you free tools than just for one free signal. Go ahead, no worries. Azmat will definitely look forward to having your submission and wish you best of luck so that way you can be a part of a member for absolutely free. So like I was saying on the DXY, look at the DXY in confluence to the US dollar. So check out the daily. You can see that USD has been going down while the DXY is going up. So we already have the DXY coming up here to a previous area of rejection that Trusted Signals draws out for you. So there could be a possible move to the bottom side. If there could be a possible move to the bottom side on the DXY, that means opposite of XAU. We could see a push to the top, which is what I was talking about. Seeing a push to the top and having it then come back down at these levels. If I go undo, right up here. waiting for trusted signals V2. So we do have V2 out already. What's coming is the V3, not a V3, but a add-on to our settings and upgrading our indicator. And at the same time, having indicators in the works coming soon. So did you guys get that with the DXY and the USD? What DXY is doing is going to be opposite of XAU. Let's check out Euro USD. Oh, we got a whole bunch of Fibonacci's right here. All right, so again, we're checking out the daily. We're almost at an oversold market on Euro USD. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Boom. Right here, you see we have wicks, candle close, wicks, candle close. So we're at the bottom of the daily right now. It's almost oversold. Definitely looking at a long. On Euro USD. I'm actually thinking about buying this right now. Hold up. Where is my phone? All right. I'm going to take a long on this right now. Okay. So let me see. I'm going to take a long on this. Euro USD. EU. There's your free signal right there, Asmat. Euro USD long. Let's go. Check it out. Where is it? Chart. All right, yeah, boom. Euro USD. I looking at it and it's all the way down here. It's been respecting this for quite some time. I want to go into let's go into the lower time frames. Yes, sir. Rejection. My 20. Let me see. Go into the 30-minute. And let's see 15-minute. Look at that. So we had a sell signal come in on the 15-minute. Maybe just hang tight and wait for the next buy signal. We have another sell signal on the 5-minute. Yep, and I want to anticipate that buy signal coming in. Multiple rejections. All right, so this is when I would come in. How to send you a message not inside of a video in giveaway video. You could go ahead and just screenshot the Instagram photo, and if you don't want to do a video, I would have to maybe suggest writing it on your phone and screenshotting it. Maybe just screenshot it on your phone and post both screenshots, your video, your text, and also the screenshot on Instagram. All right. So definitely considering to take a long on Euro USD. I want to see this break above and start making a new direction first. Looking at the 30-minute. want to see on the lower time frames a change of direction of the market. And the reason why I'm long on Euro USD is again looking at the higher time frames. Boom, just like that. So super I'm long on this. Long buys for sure. Here bullish. Here it is going up. All right. As you notice, I don't have too much on my watch list. I keep it very minimalistic so I could stay focused on what I'm looking at. I actually only look at one chart, 2 charts maximum at a time. But I wanted to go over a bunch of charts so that way you could get a little insight on how I think, how I trade, how I view the markets, how I use trusted signals, and that way you could adapt what works best for you guys. US 30. So whoever caught this US 30 trade or whoever took this signal, you guys are in profit right now with me for sure. Because I'm going to show you right now. All right. What up? All right. So if you guys took that trade, you are in profit for sure. Because let's go. Trade was announced on the Discord chat. So if you haven't, sign up to the Discord. It's absolutely free. I'm always posting. Actually, a lot of people are posting trade ideas. Boom, boom, boom. A lot of people are posting trade ideas on the Discord chat, and it's free. So you can take anybody's trade. You can take the trades that I share, and at any time, be a part of the Trusted Signals family. Check it out. You can live and experience it first. Be a part of our community for absolutely free, for later on to take the decision and be a part of the Trusted Signal family. So I really think that this wraps it up. This wraps up our first live stream of the weekly analysis report. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you really liked everything that I went over. And we're going to soon do a question webinar over the weekend. So prepare any questions that you might have. Any questions that you have about our indicators, what tools you're wondering how to use properly. I'm going to go ahead and answer them. And for the giveaway, just go ahead and check it out on Instagram. We're going to give it away by October 1st. And by October 1st is going to be the deadline. So if you haven't already, check out the YouTube, check out our Instagram. The giveaway announcement is both there. You just got to screenshot the giveaway and then share a video about why you deserve to be the winner. And if not, if you haven't been able to do that, you can go ahead and take other routes like screenshotting a description on why you feel you should be the winner. Simply just write why you feel you should be the winner, screenshot it, and share it in one post. Remember, make our post of the giveaway first and your explanation second. Very, very important. And also tag us so that way you could pop up in my feed, in Trusted Signals official Instagram feed, and you won't get lost in the sauce. Kindly analysis on BTC USD. Oh, okay. Before I go then, let's go ahead and do that one time. And check out BTC. Why not? BTC. Definitely looking for a long. I could just tell. I already have my zones on the daily. I have my zone here, zone here, zone here. Again, based on the wicks, on the examples that I was giving to previously. I want to see first how price is reacting on this auto support and resistance with trusted signals. definitely want to see how it reacts. If it breaks below here and starts showing strength on the downside, then we can possibly see a retracement happening to this area, to the 36,594 area, and then a push right back to the top, and possibly even coming right back down to this previous support. When will you do the giveaway? The giveaway is going to happen October 1st. So hurry up. We don't have too much time. Time is flying. So do it as soon as you can. Participate in the giveaway, and hopefully you can be the winner. Best of luck to you, AJ. Thank you so much for being a part of this and being here today in this streaming channel. Really do appreciate it. So back again on BTC. I'm long on BTC. How to get your analysis on Discord. How to get the analysis on Discord. You just have to sign up. You just have to sign up to our Discord chat. How do you sign up? You can go ahead and go to trustedsignals.com. And on trustedsignals.com, join our Discord. It's absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything. And you'll see a lot of people's analysis, a lot of people's trade ideas. And it's under Trade Ideas, #Trade Ideas chat room. So here, let's check out on the lower time frames. Now that we're looking at BTC on the 4-hour, it's starting to break. Let's see. Right here. This is way too thick. Oh, wait. Cancel. And put this a little. There you go. Much better. Okay, boom. All right. So right here, if on the 4-hour we see a break, then we could very well see a push down to this zone for sure. But if it continues to respect this right here, I believe it's going to start climbing. Again, you have to see what the market gives you. See what the market gives you. Let's go on the 1-hour. Yep, it's already starting to fight that. And let's see, we have 26 minutes before the candle closes. If it breaks past that line, it's very likely for it to come down to this area. Let's check out on the 30-minute. On the 30-minute, it looks like it's already breaking down to come over here. And let's check out the 15-minute. Sir, I've watched every video of yours on YouTube, which is really amazing for what you're doing for the people. Thank you, Asma. Thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to me. I really like to share my knowledge and my passion with trading to those who also enjoy trading and find their passion in trading. It's definitely a long journey, but with finding the right passion, you can go ahead and make this a lifestyle and a career. So this is basically an opportunity for anyone who wants to get involved, use our tools. We've made these tools to make trading easier, and that's why we're doing this, to make trading easier and to help people out. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mamet, you're looking for a buy on BTC. So where to buy? I was looking at the higher time frames, but I'm breaking down first the lower time frames. I want to see, okay, for instance, on this 5-minute, let's do an example. Ray here, I made this support line, which it looks like it's going to break in order for me to take and consider a buy, I want to see how price reacts here, and it has to break out of this trend, retest, and give me a go. So something like this, a candle, it would be a blue candle, and I'm going to take this off for now, followed by a red candle, and then here followed by a blue candle making a new high. Break, hook, and go. So here, make this one blue before I consider taking a buy. I want to see something like this. So look on the 5-minute, we have a downtrend happening. You have a breakout of this trend, a red candle as retesting, respecting the trend line, and pushing up above. So this is what I see could happening in BTC. If you're looking on the 5-minute and want to take a scalp, you could definitely just take the next buy signal and push it up to the top for a quick scalp. And remember, when scalping, you should put your stop loss and profit right away immediately and secure profits in a short amount of pips. That is what scalping is. But if you're going to be hodling or in the long run of BTC, I will be looking at a buy at 41314 and a daily. It is a really good time to buy if you're looking on the higher time frames. So it depends on what type of trading you are. Bears going to market? I don't think so right now. I don't think so. We are in a short bearish pullback right now. But again, it's really depending on how price reacts in this zone. How price reacts at this zone. If it breaks below here, does a retest and breaks, then it could come all the way down to here. Simple as that. If it breaks, retests, and goes below, it could easily come all the way down here. Where are these zones? If you want to know where those zones are, you could write this down right here. Boom. I'm going to change the color so you could write this down. You could see it clearly. I'm going to make it blue. All right. 4145.1. 41,451.19. Right there. Right there. That one. And I'm going to make another one right here. 40,440.03. Make yourself a little box like this and see if price reacts and breaks this zone and does a retest and then gives you another candle making a new low. If that happens, we have officially entering a bearish market for it to come all the way down here. If not, we have a huge possibility for it to start climbing. So that is my intake on BTC, which could very well start pushing over to the top. But when do I decide to buy? When? Having a confirmation. I need more confirmations right now. So, wait, delete this, delete that. All right, we are an oversold market. There is a downtrend here, but I want to see a break of this downtrend. I'm going to do it again for anyone who wants to have the information better understood. Look for a downtrend, see a break to the top, retest, and then a following candle breaking higher, making a newer higher high. So this could be a long at this point to here if you're margin trading. If you are margin trading, but I don't have enough information to tell me to go long right now, so stay patient. Look for a long on BTC after having the right confirmations. But then again, if it starts to come down here and break this zone, this major zone key level, then it can very well continue to the downside. It's very, very important. How many indicators? We have 9 indicators. Yes, we do. 9 indicators available to you. And again, you should just check out our website. Check out our website. We have all the information there. You could see how many indicators we have. You could see everything that we have to offer. This is one of our indicators, the bullish divergence, the divergence oscillator, auto divergence oscillator right here, which is spot on. If, for instance, let's go. Check this out. Look at this bearish divergence here. I'm just going to do this quickly. Right here, you see markets going up, bearish divergence is going down, showing you that a bearish move is soon to come. Overbought market, sell signal came in, and ragada, all the way down to the bottom. But if you want to know more about bearish divergence, our tools, just check out our YouTube videos. We have a whole bunch of content breaking down our tools and how to use them. So I think this wraps up the video. We've been here for quite some time. Thank you so much for everyone who signed in today, and be on the lookout. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so that way you're up to date for the upcoming videos. We're going to do a live trading pretty soon, and also answering questions on all the questions on trusted signals and how to use our tools. Write them down. Write down the questions. Come up with any questions that you might have, so that way I can answer them properly one by one in the Ask Me Anything YouTube stream. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Trusted Signals family. Let's go.
Trusted Signals.